Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to match your brand colors in any image using Canva and using the free version. So let's assume this is our brand, this is our logo, completely basic, and we have this truck. We maybe want to put this truck on a flyer or whatsoever, and we want to adjust the colors we have here on this truck. It's quite simple. If you click on the truck, we click on edit, and then you can see the do tone button, and then we click on custom and on the shadows, and now we click on this little pick a color button and hover over our brand. And what we can see now, the truck is now, the shadows are in the same color as our brand, as our logo. So if you now put both together on a flyer, it looks quite nice because the colors fit. And you can do this with any image you know about. So for example, if you now decide we want to change it, we can go here and can also adjust the highlight. Now we may be going to use some of the yellow, and you can see now the truck is yellow. Maybe a bit too much, so yeah, just play around. It's super easy and also comes with the Canva free version, and it really helps you stay consistent with your brand. Thank you so much. Bye.